Magandang hapon, guys. See, Mr. Ryan Felnarsana is so busy acting like a scientist. So let's see what he is doing. What's up, boy? What you are doing?
I'm learning how to type properly.
What is this? Oh, okay. So you are practicing and learning typing now.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah.
What about the kashif?
The kerchief, it's like if I look, I won't be able to actually look because
The letters.
sometimes, yeah, you should do it without looking at the keyboard.
Oh, okay. Why suddenly started this learning part? What's up?
It's because, you know,
Hmm.
when I'm always typing, I have to look like,
Hmm.
and it always takes a long time. And
Hmm.
since there's so many things that helps you with typing,
Hmm.
I decided that why not I could try to learn how to type like all of this thing like that. So that's why I started this one to get better at typing.
It's better?
Yeah, it's good. I know I'm starting to remember all the letters where they're placed. And,
Yeah, I saw actually it's improved a lot.
And
Yeah.
before, I don't even know why F and J has these bumps on them.
Now you know?
Yeah, I know because since you're not looking, you can already feel those bumps.
Yeah. Very good. Keep it up.
Thanks. Guys, looks like they heard us because actually yesterday we were talking about like all of these plants they should remove like that, but they really heard us. While cleaning up, they actually messed up a little bit and they kept some soil on this side, but now I already cleaned it up. See? Since I did this one, Mr. Daddy Ram is gonna be watering plants. Hey, see, you know we split those two plants were when we bought. They both were in the same one, right?
Yeah, in same pot. Then we separate it and plant it differently. Look like this one survived. We worried maybe this one will die.
Yeah.
Need to put more soil. I need to get soil. This is also, I think, looks okay.
Yeah, it looks so nice. Guys, since this week or maybe for a while, we've been playing pickleball a lot and really aggressively. So today we're just gonna take a little break. Right now I'm waiting for my mom to come from work. The garden is doing really well. One of the okra is absolutely huge. Like, I don't know why. But I really love my garden and everything. Look, even my guyabano is growing. It's basically the size of my palm now. I really love living here in the Philippines, even though I still miss India. Guys, see? Look, this patola is really growing. Since it's growing, I actually kept this one because it was reaching out for something. So now it's gripping. After it fully grips and it's searching for something else, I'll move this one a little bit so it can grip that one and it will go to the grills.
I got some stuff. Pero ito ay uniform ko, which is very nice color. What can you say, Ryan?
Nice color. You can easily find you even in the mob.
Ay, nako. Ano ba yan? And something from Shopee. Oh, ang haba pala. Ryan, this is mine, ha? This is mine, ha? Look. Ah,
I have to order one for me also.
look. Ah.
I also want one.
Okay. See, it's dual. But how?
Like
Lightning and Type-C.
But I would honestly.
Okay, okay, you do it.
Looks like you remove it. That. Maybe you have to take the hole out.
Oh, amazing.
Thank you.
Ah, that's mine. Tingnan mo itong batang ito.
Not anymore.
And, gutom na kami. We wanna eat. Nagluto sila ng chicken curry.
Mommy, you know the laptop charger is also like this. See?
Yeah,
This side is like this, and
yeah.
both sides are like this, right? That's how your laptop charger is.
Yes, but I don't think it's gonna work with my laptop.
Then this one is like this.
How about the other one? Oh, USB and Type-C also. Tang busy. Pagalitan ka ng tatay mo. Kain ka ng cake dyan. Sige. Wipe your hands first with that.
Typing again, maybe.
Eating and typing. Nagpa-practice siya, guys. Oh, tingnan niyo.
She's so busy.
You wanna eat now? Chicken curry?
Of course!
Ang aming guys, chili powder maputla. Kaya yung aming curry hindi din masyadong red, unlike yung the usual na ginagamit namin na chili powder sa India. Then we got this. Ha? Oh, kasi binibili lang ni Daddy Ram sa Indian store. Hindi masyadong pula. Ayan. Ang ating sabaw. Rasam. Tingnan niyo si Daddy Ram, oh. Ano yung ginagawa niya? What Daddy is doing, Nana? Look. Open it. What are you doing, Daddy? Huh?
The
Shells?
curry leaf plant has some white thing. I'm just cleaning it.
Oh. Sobrang nakakainis, guys. 'Di ba last week, few days akong nagpahinga kasi nag-renew kami ng visa ni Daddy Ram. And then, after that, May 1, so regular holiday. Then usually, yung Saturday may pasok. Pero, ang Saturday kasi considered na overtime yun. So, choice pa rin namin kung kapasok kami or hindi. So, that time, dahil nga, di ba, medyo not feeling well ang Mami Verlin nyo, natumba sa motor. So, I took that opportunity na mag-rest muna. So, mga ilang araw akong hindi pumasok. 4 days akong naka-rest. Kasali ang Sunday. Pero, yun nga, ang aking talagang absent lang ay 1 day. Kasi nga holiday yung May 1. Pero, kulang ang sahod ko. 2 absent ang minus nila sa akin. Ay, nakaka-disappoint. Then, mababalik naman siguro yun. Pero, i-dispute ko pa sa HR. And then, kukuha ko next sahod pa. Hindi ba nila makount ng maayos? Nakakainis naman. Alam naman nilang holiday ng May 1. Tapos, ganun pa. You're so busy about advertisement.
Yes.
May nag-offer na sa kanila, guys. Yung kanilang new Facebook page.
We have some endorsements.
Facebook and YouTube also, right?
Yeah.
We'll see how it goes.
So that's for that we are checking out.
Si Daddy Ram ang nag-check, but I have bad news. My salary came right. I was absent once last week. Supposed to be right because May 1 is holiday, Saturday, Sunday. They minus 2 absent.
Wait.
I don't know. Maybe miscalculation with the HR. Supposed to be 1 only.
Did you check with it?
I already checked with Mom Abby. Then she said, okay, check with HR. What's the process for dispute?
To be okay.
Yeah.
Guys, look, I made this one. From all the sets I got, I managed to make this. And this thing has parts from each set. See, this one is one of my first Lego ones. I just made this car out of a bit of scraps, and this guy is riding it, but this villain is chasing him. They both used to be really good friends though. But he's got some special mechanical power to manipulate this hand. So the car, it's like it's jumping, but then the hand managed to grab him and he's falling, and this guy's just jumping. I use these transparent bricks, and look, it'll be hard to see, but there's one connection right over here, and even without this hand, it can still float even though it's so small.
That's all idea from the Daddy Ram.
No.
It's from Ryan only. Mating na pala ang aking insurance, guys, which made us so happy kasi alam nyo naman na dito sa Pilipinas, importante talaga na meron tayong health insurance kasi nga mahal magkasakit. So at least meron na kami insurance, hindi na masyadong mamomroblema pa pag may isa sa amin na may sakit. Nung dumating kami ng Pilipinas, guys, ito yung isa sa mga concern ni Daddy Ram talaga. Yung health insurance kasi wala pa nga kami. Alam niya na napakamahal ng healthcare dito sa atin. Yung gamot, yung papacheck up. Doon sa India, hindi ganun masyado kamahal kasi. Then, meron din kaming insurance doon sa India. Nung bago pa kami dito, syempre wala pa kaming insurance, wala pa akong trabaho that time. So, alam nyo yun, baka may magkasakit sa amin, then talagang malaking gastos, alam nyo na. So, at least ngayon na may kasaling insurance yung company namin, yung pag-work ko. So, malaking tulong ito, malaking ginhawa. So, make sure guys na meron talaga kayong insurance kasi malaking tulong pag nagkasakit tayo. Hindi ganun kadali. Ang dami kong patients na nagsishare sila ng mga ganap sa kanilang buhay-buhay. Then, nasasabi nila na ang swerte nila na yung kampanya daw may insurance. Ganun sana. Halos lahat ng company may insurance. Pero may reklamo nga si Daddy Ram na yung mama ko kasi teacher. I'm telling them, Daddy, what you're telling Mom. Sinabi niya kay Mama, bakit daw wala daw proper insurance yung mga teacher? Kino-compare niya doon sa India na government employee din yung kanyang kapatid pero maganda ang insurance. Sana nga. Kasi diba, yan talaga ang isa sa makakapagpa-down sa atin at makakapag-drain ng ating savings kung may nagkasakit. Mga magulang natin pag nagkasakit, diba, mahal kaya ng pagpapa-hospital. You promise something this school holidays.
What?
Are you gonna do it
What?
before the school starts?
You're getting me nervous.
You know what is it?
Why are you taking video?
Huh?
Why are you taking video? You asking me that.
Why?
It's not appropriate. That's what I mean.
We're gonna take video that one.
Huh?
We're gonna take video that one.
What?
Yeah. Hanana? No?
Nuh-uh.
No?
Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh.
Final answer?
Nuh-uh.
Ang aming trash journey ngayon, guys. Diba? Binili namin ito a week ago kasi nga hindi na kami pwedeng magtapon everyday. So, 1 week dapat nandito lang ang aming basura. So, Sabado lang kami pwedeng magtapon. And, ano na ngayon? Friday. Pero, tingnan nyo ang aming basura. Hindi pa masyadong marami. Then, ito, konti lang. O, diba? Tapos, yung wet naman, okay lang din. Hindi pa masyadong marami. Ganito ako mag-cut ng apple, guys. Kasi ayoko nung nasa gitna. So, ganyan. Pang midnight snack ng boys. Who wants apple?
One that
He gave you that, Daddy, empty?
There's still some. Drink that one.
What do you want, Daddy? Tahin?
tahin.
What's tahin?
Tahin.
Full of water.
What's tahin?
Tahin.
That's spice Tita Joy introduced to us
Oh, that thingy.
when they were still here in Philippines. It's so sweet.
Yeah. Tanda na bawa rin.
Oh yeah, also. Babagaro.
Hey guys, you eat with guava, right?
Wow,
And
yeah.
also?
It's also good. Sweet, right, Ryan?
Sweet.
Yeah.
Other day we ate other one.
While I was sleeping, huh? Right? Guys, yung aking position, guys, pag tutulog, kasi tulog ako ng maaga. Mga 7, 8, or 9, ganun. Yung tulog ko. Diyan ako sa sofa. Habang sila ay ginagawa ang kanilang business. And I always sleep here sa sofa para sama-sama pa rin kami. Then around 1:30, 2 o'clock tapos na ang work ni Daddy Ram. Akyat na kami! Yun ang aming system. Para tipid AC din. Kasi pag umakyat ako ng maaga ay i-on ko yung AC sa taas. So double electricity consumption. So dito muna kami sa baba. And surprisingly, grabe, nakakatulog ako ng komportable dyan. Minsan humihilik pa. Say bye to guys. So yan, bye guys!
Bye guys. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share. Ring the bell icon. Bye.
See you bukas!
Peace.
Happy weekend!
Happy weekend.